G ma'am.
G ma'am, yes, straight.
Left side, here.
G ma'am, straight.
Right.
G ma'am left की
Center,
तरफ.
ma'am, center. Ma'am, straight here.
G ma'am left की तरफ.
G ma'am here.
Okay, now one together.
Yeah, sir.
Yeah, both of you left side. Right side.
Yeah, both of you are straight.
Left side, both of you.
Because the viewer said it's on your left. So there was a lane on the left side and there was a lane. Okay.
This is a nice big shot.
It's lovely to be here again. I have worked with WG right from the early days of my career. I worked with
She knows of me as WG.
Yeah. Alright, so I've worked in his films and always found his, scripts very engaging, very interesting, very intelligent. And now that he started writing books, all of that I find translating again here again on pages. So earlier WG had written Septipus, a little series, children's books, and at that time too he had given me a book. I read it. It was delightful. And I was invited for the book reading. This time when he called me up, I was like, is it a children's book again? He said, no. This is for adults. And Marisa and him came over. We met, he gave me the book. I opened it, I started to read. And I'm saying this not because I'm here, and WG is right in front of me, but they saw it. I couldn't put it down. It was so interesting, and it keeps moving. I didn't want to put the book down. And now that I'm here at the book reading, I want to say, so I told WG, you choose what you would want me to read here. I have to say what you've chosen is really interesting too. Very well chosen what you have. I would say so much. But when I read it, again, you're going to hear it now.
What she doesn't know is I could just shut my eyes, open the book, put a pin there, and that would have been interesting.
So modest, aren't we? But you see it. I think you see it, and it's better that way. They hear it out for themselves.
Yeah, I'm just telling people that things not doing much of me still.
अभी सेंटर में
Anybody on the right?
शौक तो बड़ा है, मगर आई हैव टू से दिस ट्रूली, मुझे ये किताब भी पढ़नी थी, वक्त नहीं मिलता मगर मैंने जब ये मेरे घर आए थे मुझे किताब देने, तब मैंने ऐसे ही पन्ने पलटने शुरू किए। मैं सच कह रही हूँ, इसलिए नहीं क्योंकि मैं बुक रीडिंग पर हूँ, मगर मैं रुकना नहीं चाहती थी। इट वॉज सो interesting. It moves very interestingly. It's really a thriller and a page turner, a true page turner.
जी, आपने कहा कि आप किताबें पढ़ती हैं, कादिया पर्सन इस पर काम कर रही हैं।
बायोपिक्स, अरे यार मेरी फेवरेट किताबें ना कुछ स्पिरिचुअल टाइप की ज़्यादा है। मैं जो पढ़ती हूँ मैं कुछ ऐसा पढ़ना चाहती हूँ जिससे मेरा माइंड, मेरी नॉलेज ये बढ़े, तो मैं पढ़ती कुछ ज़्यादा
Juhi, are there perhaps any plans to come out with an autobiography later in the future, or I mean, have you given it a thought?
I have given it a thought because कोई पब्लिशर थे जो मेरे पास आए और उन्होंने कहा कि अगर आप करना चाहती हो तो प्लीज़ हमारे साथ करिए. आई वुड बी वेरी रेडी. यू वुडंट हैव टू डू एनीथिंग. आप सिर्फ बोलते जाइए, हम आपको रिकॉर्ड करते जाएंगे एंड देन वन डे वी विल कंपाइल इट ऑल. एक हिसाब से मुझे लगता है हाँ इंटरेस्टिंग है, क्यों नहीं करना चाहिए. बहुत चीज़ें हैं जो आप मेरे बारे में जानते हैं, मगर काफ़ी कुछ चीज़ें हैं जो मैंने कभी कही नहीं. लाइफ हैज़ बिन अ वेरी eventful. I've had a very eventful life. फिर सोचती हूँ अभी नहीं, उसके लिए वक्त चाहिए मुझे. I really, like he said, you need discipline for this. You need to be very very focused कि हाँ ये अब मुझे करना है. इतना फोकस मुझ में अभी नहीं है. मैं थोड़ी देर रुकूंगी, मगर किसी दिन I think yes.
If you were to, do you have a title in mind for what your book would be called?
I had something loosely in my head. It's a little like, it won't be, क्योंकि ये मेरी फिल्म का टाइटल नहीं है, but a little like कभी खुशी कभी गम. It's got to be the laughter and the tears, because where you've always seen me very chirpy and bright and doing mad things on screen, I've also had a very close experience of life, death, seen it all very closely. So yeah, there's a lot in my life. Someday.
Juhi, once Salman said that he does not have the guts to bear it all in his biography, so he would never write one. Are you very comfortable with sharing the innermost details of your life, personal, professional?
That's also maybe the reason. I think not just yet. I would wait just a little bit more to get, like you said, a little stronger and be a little more brave, and then
जी कुछ मुद्दों पर जैसे आपने कहा कि आप ये बात करना चाहती हैं, लेकिन एज एन एक्ट्रेस आपको अगर पूछा जाए कि किसी और एक्ट्रेस को किसी तरह के थ्रेट्स मिलते हैं किसी फिल्म को लेकर, तो आप उस चीज़ के बारे में
I just say this, I'm not speaking of Padmavati the film, very clearly I'm not speaking of that. It was just about that the threats were to an actress, and I was only just reacting on that, saying that that is not right. उसी हीरोइन को आप दूसरी फिल्मों में आप देखते हैं, आप पीछे उनके पागल हो जाते हैं, आप उन्हें आप उनके पोस्टर चिपका रहे हैं, आप उन्हें इतना प्यार दे रहे हैं, इतनी फ़ैन फॉलोइंग है उनकी, और उनको ऐसा थ्रेट करना ये सही मुझे नहीं लगा. At the end of the day, films are made by directors, by the team. You are playing a part. I think just for that reason, I would say a little sensitivity is, and being a little more ज़रा क्या कहूँ, थोड़ा धैर्य रखें लोग. Not flare up and say things like that, and that too to a woman.
मैम कल आप जयपुर में भी थी, जैसे कि आपने कहा, तो वहाँ के लोगों का क्या मोड है इस फिल्म, वहाँ के लोगों का क्या कहना है, ज़्यादा आक्रोश है फिल्म मेकर लोगों के ऊपर?
मैं ऐसे एक्चुअली मैं शादी के मौके पर गई थी, तो आई वाज अटेंडिंग अ वेडिंग. मेरी मुलाकात राजमाता जी से हुई, एंड देन शी वाज जस्ट टॉकिंग अबाउट फिल्म्स, एंड जोधा अकबर भी वहीं पर जयपुर में फिल्माई गई है, वो किस तरह से बनी थी. बट देन obviously then some of the talk happened about Padmavati, but then she was just saying something which struck me as something I had not realized. You're in the movies and you don't realize कि really what I mean, कितने लोग आप में से किताबें सच्ची में पढ़ते हैं, कितने लोग हिस्ट्री में इतना ध्यान रखते हैं, मगर फिल्मों को सब लोग देखते हैं. So whatever you show on screen really actually stays in the memory of people, and it can stay for many years. You don't even realize it. So she was just saying that something that is, and that's touching history, mythology, that is going to stay with people, as especially आजकल की पीढ़ी के साथ. They are going to connect with this film and they're going to believe whatever you show them. So do it very responsibly. That's all.
तो ये क्या आने वाले वक्त में हम आपको किसी फिल्म में देखने वाले हैं, कोई प्रोजेक्ट्स चल रहे हैं, अगर उसके बारे में कुछ बताना चाहें?
अच्छा, आज सारे क्वेश्चन मुझसे ही करेंगे। किताब इन्होंने लिखी है। बुक रीडिंग इनकी किताब की हो रही थी, डॉबी जी, ज्योतिन गर्ल जी की, जिनकी मैंने शुरुआत, अपने करियर की शुरुआत इनके साथ जहरीले फिल्म में, ऑलमोस्ट लाइक इन माई इनिशियल ईयर्स I worked in Zehreele, his film, and over the years I worked in Safari and another film as well. And
you
now,
sang a song for Bird Idol.
अरे बाप रे, वो मत याद दिलाइए। बहुत बुरा तरीके से किया था मैंने, बड़ी कोशिश की थी मगर हुआ नहीं ठीक से। But yeah, it's I've had a long association with him. हाँ, मैं एक फिल्म करने वाली हूँ और वो जनवरी में शुरू हो जाएगी उसकी शूटिंग, जनवरी, फरवरी, मार्च तक ख़त्म भी हो जाएगी। सो विनोद चोपड़ा जी की प्रोडक्शन है, एंड और सारे डिटेल्स आप प्रोडक्शन हाउस से ज़रूर पूछ लीजिए।